Thanks for joining us for Bell Gossett Solves It. B&G's commitment to being HVAC systems expert is well recognized, as is our commitment to educating the industry through our Little Red Schoolhouse training classes. This video series is an extension of B&G's commitment to keeping our industry up to date on best practices and new insights. One of the most critical applications for B&G products is in healthcare facilities. Lutheran General Hospital in Park Ridge, Illinois needed to construct a new state-of-the-art bed tower. The hospital required an advanced integrated heating and cooling system to serve their needs. Our local rep Bornquist was brought in early to assist Grumman Butkus engineers in the design of a variable primary pumping system for this important project.
The major challenge in controlling a building efficiently is to match the load. Designing the building is an exercise in calculation. But then once you get into the real world, you find out what your loads actually are, and that's where the turn down of the equipment is important, where your supply temperatures are important, and that's where this variable primary piping arrangement came from and design came from, because they have to limit the amount of bypass that's going on in the system, both to satisfy the equipment and the comfort of the people in the building. Lutheran General Hospital have 1510 pumps. They're base-mounted end suction pumps as the circulators in their heating system and their cooling system. They have accessories like suction diffusers on the inlet side of the pump. They have air separators to remove the air from the system. They have expansion tanks to control the expansion and contraction in there. And then there are other smaller accessories throughout the system as well. And there's a monitoring station back at the chief's office, which allows them to see, tweak, and control anything that's happening out in the building. So that would include control valve position, the speed of the pumps, the flow rate, the temperatures, all the things that are happening in the building. So if there's a complaint, they can see that, or as if there's something that's not as efficient as possible, maybe they can tweak that too. In addition to efficiency, engineers are looking at equipment in terms of life cycle analysis. So they're not only looking at equipment in terms of what can it do now, but how long will it last and what will it be doing in 20 years. And Grumman Butkus does go through significant life cycle analysis as they choose these systems. And that's one of the reasons that Bell Gossett is installed, is that there's a high confidence level that it will be operating as efficiently in 20 years as it is now. Engineering firms like Grumman Butkus want to work with Bell Gossett for a variety of reasons. One is we've been manufacturing equipment for a long period of time, and it's been high quality equipment, so they know that it works well. The other thing that they're looking for is innovation. They know that Bell Gossett is going to come out with new products, which are relevant and will improve the systems that they install. Bell Gossett is inventing or creating or manufacturing better equipment, which matches the needs of the engineers.
Thanks again for joining us for Bell Gossett Solves It. We look forward to presenting more insights and best practices through this video series on CompleteWaterSystems.com. And as always, we look forward to seeing you at Bell Gossett's Little Red Schoolhouse.